Hello everyone and welcome back to the Perfect French with Dylan. Today I have a short lesson for you. We are going to look at the difference between retourner, revenir and rentrer. They are all verbs of movement, but they cannot be switched in French. But you will see they are very easy. Today I'm going to focus on their meanings, not their conjugation. But if you want to learn their conjugation, I have a table of conjugation for each one on my website. They all have audio recorded by me. I do not use AI, so if you want them, I will have the links in the description box. These three verbs are conjugated with être in the passé composé because they are verbs of movement. But two of them can also be conjugated with avoir, retourner and rentrer. I will have a lesson about the verbs conjugated with être and avoir as well if you want to, but I'm not going to focus on that in this lesson. And that's it. Let's start the lesson with retourner. Retourner. Retourner means to go back somewhere. The important point about this is that it's where the subject is not. So it's a verb of movement to go where the subject is not at the moment. Okay? Let's see one sentence and you will understand. I had to write longer sentences for this one because it just needs a little bit more context, so they are a little bit longer, okay? So, j'ai oublié d'acheter du beurre au magasin, je dois y retourner. J'ai oublié d'acheter du beurre au magasin, je dois y retourner. So here, what is going on in this one? Basically, I went to the store, I came back already, I am back home, but I realized that I forgot to buy butter. So I have to go back to the store, okay? Je dois y retourner. So I am not where I have to go. This is the important part. Second one. Ils sont retournés au café où leurs parents étaient, mais ils étaient déjà partis. Ils sont retournés au café où leurs parents étaient, mais ils étaient déjà partis. And the last one. On devrait retourner à la plage avant qu'il n'y ait trop de monde. On devrait retourner à la plage avant qu'il n'y ait trop de monde. So we are not at the beach yet. We are not there, but we want to go back. Okay, go back to the beach. Where we are not, where the subject of the sentence is not. Okay? Now, revenir. Revenir, to come back. So we saw to go back, retourner. Revenir, to come back. The translation of revenir is quite easy to remember because it's re plus venir. While venir means to come, revenir simply means to come back. Okay? So this time is where the subject of the sentence is, simply. Let's see. Je vais chercher le courrier, je reviens tout de suite. Je vais chercher le courrier, je reviens tout de suite. So I am in one spot. Then I'm gonna go get the mail. And I will be back. Okay? Je reviens. It's a little loop. Revenir is a loop. Okay? Well, retourner is a one way. One way. Revenir is the loop. We're going somewhere and then we come back. Toot, toot, toot. Je vais chercher le courrier. Je reviens dans une minute. Second one. Est-ce que ton père est déjà revenu? Est-ce que ton père est déjà revenu? So he left, he's currently somewhere and then he's coming back. Est-ce que ton père est déjà revenu? Le magasin est fermé, je reviendrai plus tard. Le magasin est fermé, je reviendrai plus tard. So I'm at the store currently, but it's closed. So I will leave, I'm going to leave, but I will come back later. Je reviendrai plus tard. And now, rentrer, which is the easiest one, this is why I kept it for the end. Rentrer is simply to return home. Home can be your house, or it can be a country, or basically a place that you call home. That's all that matters with this one. So, à quelle heure est-ce que tu rentres? À quelle heure est-ce que tu rentres? What time will you be home? À quelle heure est-ce que tu rentres? N'oublie pas de rentrer à l'heure pour le dîner. N'oublie pas de rentrer à l'heure pour le dîner. And the last one, here with a country. J'aimerais rentrer en France cet été. J'aimerais rentrer en France cet été. So in the last one, France is most likely the country of origin to this person, the home country. So they want to go back to France. As simple as that. And that's it. Please remember to check out the 3 conjugation of Retourner, Revenir, and Rentrer. This was actually a requested lesson, so if you have any issue with any part of the language, vocabulary, grammar, conjugation, expression, anything, pronunciation, I love pronunciation, just let me know. I'm always happy to make a lesson to help you. And that being said, I will see you in 2 weeks for a new lesson. À dans 2 semaines.